This short video is intended to help you identify Abies procera. The noble fir typically takes a relatively columnar and upright shape as it develops, with relatively level branches. Young bark is a smooth grey, still coated in the upward pointing green needles, but this then develops to a light brown, lightly fissured, slightly scaly bark as it matures, often with quite a lot of fluting at the base of the tree. The male flowers, born in March to April, are typical conifer, relatively short, soft, yellow turning brown male pollen cones. The female flowers are, however, much more distinctive, being relatively heavy, causing the branch to droop down and being roughly the size and the weight of half a cucumber. These then develop into these magnificent brown cones which disintegrate slowly on the tree from a central spindle. The sprayer foliage is distinctively silver grey, and it's quite difficult to see the shoots because of the coverage of so many slightly curved needles. And closer up to the sprayer foliage one can see that the needles in general curve and slightly point forward towards the end of the twig, and that some of them overlap the top of the twig, and that's why you can't see the twig itself. Here is an image of the pulvinus, and one can see that I've pulled off two of the needles to show the round-like sucker attachment that is classic of identifying an Abies. And the winter buds, typically well hidden by the needles. I've had to prise these needles slightly apart so you can see this light brown, slightly papery, ever so slightly resinous winter bud hiding amongst the curved in vegetation at the end of the shoot.